Buenos días. Good morning. Today we're going to talk about emergencies. Hoy vamos a hablar de emergencias. So hopefully everything goes smooth, but it's better to have a few words just in case you encounter some sort of situation, right? Let's start with emergencies. Asking for help. How do you ask for help in Spanish? Let's say you get into the ocean and a current is kind of pulling you and you want someone to help you. So you say, auxilio, auxilio. All right, this is one of those words like help. Another word is socorro, socorro. You would say ayuda, ayuda. So with this, you would call the attention of people on the shore, or you're in another situation, you just want help. You can ask somebody, ¿puede ayudarme? Can you help me? ¿Puede ayudarme? Now somebody's having an emergency. You want to call an ambulance. You say, una ambulancia, por favor. An ambulance, please. Una ambulancia, por favor. Or call an ambulance would be, llame una ambulancia. Llame una ambulancia. In case of death, you'd be, llame a la policía. Call the police. Llame a la policía. La policía. All right? If you just want to say it's an emergency, you say, es una emergencia. Es una emergencia. Maybe you need to make a phone call. Necesito hacer una llamada. That's, I need to make a phone call. Necesito hacer una llamada. All right. Now let's say you ate something and you're not feeling well. You want to go to the hospital or the clinic. You go to the receptionist. ¿Dónde hay un hospital? Where is there a hospital? ¿Dónde hay un hospital? So oftentimes, hospitales are public. They're public hospitals, or maybe you want a private clinic that is going to be covered by your insurance. Either way, if you want to say private clinic, that's going to be una clínica privada. ¿Dónde hay una clínica privada? Where is there a private clinic? The doctor is el médico. El médico, right? A nurse is una enfermera. Una enfermera. Or if it's a male, it would be un enfermero. Un enfermero. So you get to your clinic and you want to see a doctor. Dice, necesito ver un doctor. I need to see a doctor. Necesito ver un doctor. O necesito ver un médico. I need to see a physician. Both words are going to work. Un doctor o un médico. Okay? In this case, it's a female doctor, so it's una médica. You say, buenos días. She might ask, ¿qué le pasa? What's going on? You say, me siento mal. Me siento mal. I feel bad. Me siento mal. She might ask, ¿qué síntomas tiene? What are your symptoms? ¿Qué síntomas tiene? Now you want to say you're nauseous. Tengo náusea. Tengo náusea. You want to say that something hurts. Me duele el estómago. I have stomachache. Me duele el estómago. You also have a headache. Me duele la cabeza. Me duele la cabeza. Actually, your whole body hurts. You want to say, me duele el cuerpo. On top of that, you have a fever. Tengo fiebre. All right. Or maybe you're actually hurt. You're injured. So you want to say, estoy herido if you're a man, or estoy herida if you're a woman. Okay? So they treat you and everything. So you want to get all the payment from your seguro. Okay? They might ask you, ¿tiene seguro? Do you have insurance? ¿Tiene seguro? This is like a travel insurance. And you can say, tengo seguro de viaje. Tengo seguro de viaje. I have a travel insurance. Or maybe you don't have insurance. So you say, no tengo seguro. No tengo seguro. I don't have insurance. Okay? Now, in case you lose your passport, you want to say, perdí mi pasaporte. Perdí mi pasaporte. I lost my passport. Maybe you lost your wallet. Perdí mi billetera. Perdí mi billetera. Or maybe you lost your documents. Perdí mis documentos. Perdí mis documentos. Maybe you want to say you have been robbed. Me robaron, right? Me robaron. Me robaron. This is like they robbed me. Okay? Maybe your phone got stolen. So you can say, me robaron el teléfono. Me robaron el teléfono. Necesito una comisaría. I need a police station. Necesito una comisaría. Or you can also say, necesito una estación de policía. I need a police station. Necesito una estación de policía. Maybe there is a fire, so you're gonna yell, fuego, fuego. Or you can say, incendio, incendio. Both words are fire. Or you can just say, emergencia, emergencia, like emergency. This is a very general word, but people will know something is going on and they're gonna come help you. If you wanna say there is an accident, you say, accidente, accidente. That is an accident. Hay un accidente. There is an accident. Hay un accidente. Or maybe you had an accident. You want to say, tuve un accidente. Tuve un accidente. I had an accident. If you want to warn someone to something, you say, cuidado, cuidado. This is like, watch out, careful. Cuidado. All right? Cuidado. So let's recap. If you need help, you say, ayuda, ayuda. I need help is necesito ayuda. An emergency is una emergencia. An accident is un accidente. A fire is un incendio, right? If you don't feel well, you say me siento mal. If you're sick, you say estoy enfermo if you're a man, or estoy enferma if you're a woman. If you need a hospital, you say necesito un hospital. If you need a private clinic, you say necesito una clínica privada. If you want to see a doctor, you say necesito un médico. Necesito un médico. All right, I hope this was helpful and you're more prepared. Hopefully you won't encounter any of these situations, but in case you do, now you know what to say. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Ciao!